90% of new traders lose all their money within the first 3 months. Sounds scary, right? Well, it should be. Because the market doesn't care about your dreams, your emotions, or your reasons. It only respects one thing: discipline. In this video, I'll expose the top 5 deadly mistakes that most beginners make. If you avoid these, you survive. If you don't, you bleed. Mistake 1: trading without a plan. Imagine going to war without a weapon. That's what trading without a plan looks like. Most beginners just jump in with a random lot size, random entry, and zero exit plan. Result: they either panic too early or hold until it's too late. Trading is not a gamble, it's a calculated decision. Create a plan before every trade. Entry point. Stop loss. Take profit. Stick to it. No matter what. Mistake 2: overtrading, greed. You want to trade. Now your heart says, do one more. That's greed whispering in your ear. And greed is the #1 killer of trading accounts. Overtrading happens when you chase the market or feel like you're missing out. But let me tell you this. The market gives you thousands of setups every month. You don't need to take them all. Take one good setup a day. That's enough to grow. Mistake 3: no risk management. You risk 1,000 Indian rupees to make 100 Indian rupees. That's not trading. That's suicide. Most beginners don't even use stop loss. They believe a market will come back. But guess what? Sometimes it doesn't. Use proper risk reward. Don't risk more than 1 to 2% of your capital per trade. And always protect your capital, because once it's gone, the game is over. Mistake 4: trading with emotions. You're angry because your last trade hit SL. So you enter again. Not to win, but to take revenge. That's called revenge trading, and it's poison. Successful traders feel nothing. No fear. No greed. No revenge. Just pure logic. Control your emotions, or the market will use them against you. Mistake 5: following signals blindly. Telegram signals, YouTube gurus, random strategies. You trust everything except your own mind. That's a mistake. Learning is good. But blindly copying others is not. Because when the trade goes wrong, you panic. Why? Because you didn't know why you entered. Build your own understanding. Learn price action, psychology, strategy, master your craft. Because in this game, only the skilled survive. The market is a mirror. It reflects your mindset, your discipline, and your greed. If you treat it like a get-rich-quick scheme, it will punish you. But if you treat it with respect, it will reward you beyond imagination. So stop chasing signals. Start chasing mastery. If this video hit you somewhere deep, then you're not just a beginner. You're a future trader. Don't forget to like this video if it saved you from mistakes. Comment "I'm ready" if you're serious about trading. And subscribe if you want more raw, real, no BS trading content. See you in the next one.